Today, we're making Mofletta to celebrate Mimouna, a Moroccan Jewish holiday which marks the end of Passover. This is a special video because I'm partnering with the students of the Daily Schmooze to combat antisemitism by sharing and celebrating Jewish stories like mine. Now, I didn't grow up eating many Sephardic foods, as my grandmother ultimately hid our Judaism from us in an effort to ensure that we had an easier life than she did. Today, I share traditions and my story to honor my grandmother and families across the world who have lost community and tradition through the diaspora. Mimouna, it's a true celebration of hospitality and coexistence. Moroccan Jews and Muslims lived in close quarters for centuries, and during Passover, it was common for Muslim neighbors to store flour in their homes for the Jews. At the end of Passover, they would return the flour and were always invited in for food and celebration. Mofletta, or thin pancakes that are cooked only on one side and always in a stack, are an essential part of the Mimouna celebration. I'll include a recipe in the description below. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!